What is the district headquarters of West Khasi Hill? Nongstoin. Who is the current Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hill District? Sri Garot LSN Dykes. Who is the Superintendent of Police SP West Khasi Hill? Sri Bikram D. Marat MPS. How many police stations are there in West Khasi Hill? There are 4 police stations. Who is the current officer in charge OC of Nongstoin Police Station? Sri T.S. Modo SI. Who is the current officer in charge OC of Nongstoin Women Police Station? J.A. Sangma Women Police Inspector. Who is the current officer in charge OC of Motion Road Police Station? Sri W.G. Momin SI. Who is the current officer in charge OC of Shalang Police Station? Sri B.P. Talang SI. Who is the current Block Development Officer BDO of Nongstoin? Sri T. Dingan. What is the area square kilometers of West Khasi Hill District? 5,247 square kilometers. What is the pin code of West Khasi Hill District, Nongstoin? 793119. How many PHCs are there in West Khasi Hill District? There are 5 PHCs. What is the Regional Transport Office RTO of West Khasi Hill? ML06. Who is the current MLA of 32 Nongstoin constituency? Sri Gabriel Waklang Party NPP. Who is the current MDC of 27 Nongstoin? Sri Jurisman Yopnyo Party VPP.